Jerome Leonard Boger is an American football official in the National Football League since the 2004 NFL season. He has worn uniform number 23 since 2006. Before that, he wore uniform number 109. He started in the league as a line judge and was promoted to referee in 2006 after 2 seasons. Along with Gene Steratore, he was one of 2 new referees for 2006, replacing retired officials Bernie Kukar and Tom White. Boger became the 3rd African-American referee in the NFL after Johnny Grier, who previously wore uniform number 23, and Mike Carey. Boger played quarterback at Morehouse College in Atlanta, Georgia as a 4-year starter and graduated in 1977. Realizing that he did not have the football skills to make it on a professional level, he decided to get into officiating, allowing him to stay close to the game. He started working high school and recreational league games before moving up to small colleges. He spent 11 years in the Southern Intercollegiate Athletic Conference and 5 seasons in the Mid-Eastern Athletic Conference from 1996 to 2000. Boger has a son, Tra Boger, signed with the Green Bay Packers in the 2006 offseason, but was subsequently released. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.